Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get missing emojis on any Android phone. So guys, here you can see, here are my first emojis. So you can see here are the emojis. So you can see here some of the emojis are missing from my keyboard. So what you have to do is just simply close this page, open Play Store or App Store, search for Gboard, install third one. So you can see here it's installing right now. Tap on open, tap on enable in settings, select input method, tap on Gboard, tap on done. And if you want to add keyboard, so you can do from here. Tap on done, close this page, and then let me show you here in my keyboard. So here you can see guys, here are the new emojis. Here you can see guys, here are the missing emojis. Here you can see guys. So that is the way guys you can get new emojis on any Android phone, and you can get missing emojis on any Android phone. So that's it guys for today's video. If that is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.